Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to this stunning luxury residence located in Battersea, one of Mandeville's most exclusive and sought after neighborhoods. Renowned for its tranquil setting, lush greenery, and upscale atmosphere, Battersea offers the perfect blend of privacy, prestige, and convenience. This impressive 6 bedroom, 5.5 bathroom home spans approximately 8,000 square feet and sits on 0.39 acres. Built in the year 2000, this home is thoughtfully designed for comfort, elegance, and entertaining. There is a spacious master suite with jacuzzi, shower stall, and walk-in closet. Also, an electronic gate, security system, solar water heater, and a large concrete water tank for reliable water storage. The property also includes a self-contained one-bedroom flat, ideal for guest, rental income, or extended family. Battersea offers a peaceful retreat from city life while being just minutes away from Mandeville's best schools, shopping centers, medical facilities, and recreational amenities. Known for its cool climate and exclusive ambiance, it's the perfect location for discerning homeowners seeking luxury and serenity. Contact the agent today to schedule a private tour of this exceptional home and experience the elegance of Battersea living. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 800,000, Jamaican 126.2 million, Canadian 1.14 million, Euro 734.8 thousand, or 621.7 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.